Hi, and welcome to Matchmove for Production by VFX Tutors. I'm Josh, and in this video we'll be continuing with the Hunter project with the shot H002. In part 2 we'll be importing our camera into Maya and getting it ready to be used. So Maya is open, so our first thing that we want to do is go File, Import, and go to our exports. So we've got Hunter H2 Cam Mel script that we exported out. Import that in, and you should have a scene in your outliner now. So we should have a Hunter sequence camera and a Sigma camera. If we delete that one, we don't need that because that was our lens grid one. So our next thing we do is go to the first frame, import our single frame lineup head, so our Hunter head single frame lineup, import, and go File, Import, and we want to go to our Set Geo. And import our Set Geo. So now we can see we've got our head in the shot and we've got our Set Geo there. If we go to our panels, perspective, Hunter camera, might not be able to see much at the moment. So if we go to our select our camera, this little icon here, go to our attributes editor, select our image plane shape, and we want to swap out this for our undistorted plate. So if we click the little file, go to our undistorted plate wherever you rendered it out, so UDP Hunter undistorted plate EXR, click open. Now I want to select use image sequence, change my alpha gain to 0.7, then scroll down and go to depth and change that to 1. So now we can see everything. So before we scrub for our timeline, we want to make sure we're on frame 1 or 1001. Select our Hunter head single frame lineup mesh and middle mouse click and drop it under our point group. This now is parented to our point group, which has the animation. So now when we scrub through, our head has all the animation. And we can group this one, call it Set Geo GRP. We can middle mouse click and stick that under the scene. So if I click on shaded, wireframe with shaded, and you can just play through. You should be able to play through because it's got a half resolution plate. And now we're pretty much done with this shot. We've set it all up. We've got our object track in there with our animation on our head. So you can say like, give him a beard or something, or do some sort of makeup on him or something. So yeah, we're done with this shot. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more like this.